The Polestar 2's infotainment system runs on Android Automotive OS and serves as the central hub for navigation, media, and vehicle controls. Occasionally, you might encounter glitches like frozen screens or unresponsive apps. Resetting the system can resolve these issues. There are two main types of resets: a quick reboot for minor issues and a factory reset for more persistent problems. As of September 2025, software version 3.5.1 has improved system stability, but resets remain a useful troubleshooting step. Always back up your data before performing any reset to avoid losing important information. To perform a quick reboot, press and hold the power button on the touchscreen for 10 to 15 seconds until the system restarts. Wait for the Polestar logo to appear. This preserves your settings and takes about 1 to 2 minutes. For a factory reset, go to Settings, then System, Advanced Reset Options, Factory Data Reset. Confirm and enter your PIN if prompted. The system will reboot and take 10 to 15 minutes to reset. This erases all user data and customizations. Use factory reset only if quick reboot doesn't fix the problem. Polestar's 2025 user manual provides more details on safety and data backup.